Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix battery drain issue in iOS 26. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having battery draining issues, let's see how can you fix that. So the very first, you just have to open up your settings app here and then go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your software. If you find any pending update, try to update your software because pending software updates might issues with your battery, so you must have to update the software, then go for settings option again, go for battery option here, and from here you can easily check your battery health. If you find it almost less than 80%, so it might be that your battery has been drained out, so you have to exchange your battery for better battery timing. And after that, you can get power mode. From here you can enable low power mode if you find that your battery is draining faster, so it will help you to drain battery faster. And after that, you can also reduce your motion. So open your accessibility settings here, then go for motion, and you'll find reduce motion option. You just have to enable it from here, and after that it will reduce motion on your iPhone, so it will help you to make or enlarge your battery timing. And after that, you can do some more settings like app background usage. So you just have to select the background app refresh option from here and then disable it. I have already disabled, so simply tap on that and disable it from here. And once you have disabled, you just have to go back. And after that, if you're still having the same issues, so very first you have to try to change your battery. If you have an old battery, so you have to try to change your battery, and after that you have to make a reset of your iPhone if you're still having the same issue. So you have to make a factory reset of your iPhone. It will erase everything from your iPhone, including your apps, your photos, videos, your data, and also your accounts and contacts. So very first you have to make a backup, then open the settings app, go for general, go for reset or transfer reset iPhone, select erase all content, and then you have to select the continue option here to continue this step, and it will erase everything from your iPhone. It will help you to improve battery time on your iPhone if you have a newer battery. So in this way you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.